Hey, it's Atif here, one of the SEO executives at Parliament. Today, the thing we are going to study is the local business schema. Basically, there are multiple type of schemas, and the schema that we will be studying today is local business schema. So, first of all, let me explain you why local business schema is important for SEO in some simple words. So, think of local business schema as a translator for search engines. For example, your website has already your business details, but Google doesn't always understand them clearly. So, what we need to do is we need to label those things. For example, we have added the phone number here, and we have added our email address here, and then the other details. We have listed our services over here. Our user can easily see and interact with these, but Google can't. So the Google crawler need to these things to be labeled. So that's what we do with schemas. In schemas, we tell Google about what is the thing that is placed on our website on which part, and for the structure of the things that we have added on our page, so Google may understand those things better. So I wanna just tell you how to generate the schema and then implement. So first of all, go to instantschema.com website, and from here we can go to the schema that we need. Today we are gonna study local business schema. I will click over here, and then we can add as much details as we can over here. For example, is it a local business? Yes. Is it what type it is? It is local business. And then here we can add the details like what is the name of our business. Then we need to add the image URL. I'm gonna place the link of our logo here, and then the link of our website over here in the URL part. Then we can paste the phone number here over here. So I can copy that from here, and then the further things like the address. So I can copy the address that I have added on my website in the footer. Here it is. So for example, my street is this, and my city is this, my province is this, and zip code is this one. Then we need to paste the country, that is Canada. Then the latitude and longitude, I'm gonna paste it here. So these are the things. Also, we can add other further things like the working hours or opening hours. So we can select open 24 by 7 from here too. Else we need to paste the details from which time to which time it is available, and then it will be generating the schema over here. And then what we need to do is just copy it from here, then go to the website and place it anywhere on the website in the HTML code widget. So from here I am gonna drag an HTML field. So we can drag it anywhere on the home page, but it's a good practice if we paste it in the above or at the end of the home page. So I'm gonna paste it at the end over here. I have dragged it. What I need to do is just copy it from here, pasting it here, and then click on the publish. So that is how your local business schema will be implemented. But keep in mind, like the schema doesn't help your website rank directly, but in other words, because local SEO is all about trust and then the clarity. When Google clearly understands your business information, it's more confident showing you in multiple areas like Google Maps, local search results, and near me searches. So that type of thing. And you are a real SEO business in Canada, so Google will understand that, and where you are located, how to contact you, and your working hours and further stuff. So whenever any user search about these things, then you will be shown in his SERP. So yeah, that's why I'm gonna add local business schema to each of the website on I'm offering local services or a local website.